Soccer player Kanela Furuta has played the sport for more than a decade. The center midfielder started at just 6 years old. She's competitive and has always loved being part of a team. But during a game last March,
I was kind of running down the line and looking behind me, and I ran into a defender who was kind of like a wall.
Kanela planted, twisted, and tore her anterior cruciate ligament, or ACL.
It was like the most excruciating pain I had ever felt.
ACL surgery at Swift Institute was sandwiched between prehab and rehab with Swift Sportsdome PT Clinic.
We finally have the facilities to take an athlete like Kanela all the way through the entire process, from prehab to true return to sport.
Along with a clinical setting where Kanela uses technology like blood flow restriction cuffs.
You can start working your muscles much harder using much lighter weights.
She also has access to weights.
I don't want you to be able to do one more rep.
And turf, where her physical therapist can create soccer-specific drills to help her recover while also keeping in contact with her surgeon.
Our surgeons here at the Swift Institute are very supportive of what we do here at the Swift Sportsdome and in Swift Physical Therapy. You know, we try to talk with them closely and understand their rehab protocols and what they want to see for their patients post-operatively.
Now about 10 months post-op, Kanela has recouped strength and speed.
Good. Head up, drive your knees.
As she pushes closer towards a full recovery. It's a team effort, but Torrey and Kanela say this facility really is the game changer because it allows patients to get back out there and have fun.
And practice my passes and my shots. That makes me feel like I haven't been out of the game that long.
So until she's ready to compete again, you'll likely find this soccer star here a few days a week, building muscle, endurance, and confidence.
Well, I still plan to return to sports. I'm currently going back to practice and easing myself into, playing soccer again.
With a team in her corner.